Good morning, friends. Today we will study about class Kelonia and the two examples Kelon and Kelomelanochelis. Kelonia includes turtles, tortoises, and terrapins. They are aquatic or terrestrial reptiles with pentadactyl walking legs or flipper-like swimming paddles, a bony shell or armor, an absent skull, and toothless jaws. പിക്ചർ എയും ബിയും നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പെൻറ്റാഡക്റ്റൽ walking ലെഗ്സും കാണാൻ പറ്റും. സിയിൽ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫ്ലിപ്പർ ലൈക്ക് സ്വിമ്മിംഗ് പാഡിൽസും കാണാൻ കഴിയും. They differ from all other reptiles in having the bony shell which encloses the entire body and into which head, limbs and tails can be retracted. Chelonians are considered to be living fossils because of their evolutionary history. The food habits of chelonians are different. Some are herbivorous and others are omnivores. Omnivorous chelonians feed on vegetation, worms, slugs, snails, thin-shelled bivalves, etc. Some large marine turtles may feed on fishes, birds and small mammals also. Marine forms are generally called turtles. Terrestrial forms are called tortoises. And freshwater forms are called terrapins. Dermochelis coriaceae, the leathery turtle, is the largest of all living chelonians. It grows up to 2.5 meter and weighs up to 860 kg. The smallest known chelonian is Homopus signatus, the speckled Cape tortoise. It is about 95 mm long and weighs up to 140 gram. Salient features of class Kelonia: short and broad body encased by a bony shell. The shell consists of a dorsal portion called carapace and a ventral portion called plastron. Pentadactyl limbs modified into walking legs or large oar-like swimming paddles. Toothless jaws covered by a hard horny sheath and produced in front into a beak. An absent skull without temporal fossae. Single-headed ribs with capitulum only. Tuberculum is absent. Only two sacral vertebrae. Humerus has endepicondylar foramen. Pubis and ischia form symphysis. Quadrate is fixed and immovable. Cloacal opening is more longitudinal than rounded and never transverse. കാരപ്പേസിനോട് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള റിബ്സും സ്കെൽറ്റൽ സിസ്റ്റവും കാണാൻ കഴിയും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പാറ്റേൺസിലും കളേഴ്സിലുള്ള കാരപ്പേസും കാണാൻ കഴിയും. ഇതൊക്കെ ഓരോ സ്പീഷീസ് സ്പെസിഫിക് ആണ്. ഓരോ കാരപ്പേസിൻ്റെ കളേഴ്സ് പാറ്റേൺസും ഒക്കെ വരുന്നത്. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ കീലോൺ. Kelons are commonly called green sea turtle or soup turtle. It is an edible form. It is common in Indian, Pacific and Atlantic oceans. In India, green turtle quite often pass on the beaches and non-sea ledges near the sea around Andaman Islands and coastal etc. The name green turtle is due to the presence of green fat in the body. The carapace of the shell is brownish, heart-shaped and formed of horny scutes or plates. Body color of the adult ranges from green to brown. with spots, blotches, or streaks. Head is small, neck is short, limbs are paddled or flipper like, and tail is short and stumpy. Shell and skull are light and porous to reduce body weight. Respiration is pulmonary, and lungs have numerous compartments for storing air. Eyes covered by transparent nictitating membrane. Visual power is very high, but hearing power is very poor. Green turtles comes ashore only for egg laying and basking. Then the female scoops out sand and lays as many as 350 to 600 eggs in a pit and covers them with sand. Fully developed young ones break the eggshell with their cuncle or earth tooth, and then they come out of the egg and move to the sea. Green turtles often migrate to long distances. They are long living. Their average life expectancy is 150 years. Example number 2, Kilomelanochilis. The Indian black turtle or Indian pond terrapin is a species of medium-sized freshwater turtle found in South Asia. The color of its upper shell or carapace can vary from reddish to dark brown and black with yellow streaks running along its length. They inhabit a variety of water bodies including ponds, marshes, streams, watering holes, etc. It is omnivorous. They breed during the wet season between August to October. Eggs have an incubation period of 60 to 65 days, hatching during summer.